Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Crude oil price drops even as US inventories continue to fall. Analysis http ntvforex.com News ID 0DD81F93 2027 06:59 AM. The dollar strength continued in the Asian session as traders continued to bet on a V-shaped recovery after strong economic data from the United States. Yesterday, data from ADP showed that American firms added more than 428K jobs in August. While that number was below the expected 950K, it was higher than the previous month S212K. Other data from the US showed that car and truck sales rose to 3.56 million and 11.63 million, respectively. Meanwhile, factory orders rose by 6.4% in July. Later today, traders will react to the non-manufacturing PMI data from ISM and market. We will also receive the initial jobless claims and trade numbers. The price of crude oil declined even after the EIA released better than expected inventories data. The numbers showed that inventories dropped by more than 9.36 million barrels in the previous week. That was better than the 1.8 million that analysts were expecting. It was also better than the previous week's decline of 4.68 million barrels. On Tuesday, data from the American Petroleum Institute API showed that the inventories dropped by more than 2 million barrels. Importantly, the drawdown has been going on for the past 6 straight weeks. NBSP. The economic calendar will have important data from around the world. In Switzerland, the Federal Statistics Office will release the August inflation data. Analysts expect that consumer inflation fell by 0.8% in August. Other important data will be from market, which will release the services PMI data from most countries. According to Reuters, analysts expect that the services PMI in the Eurozone dropped from 54.7 to 50.0. Meanwhile, Eurostat will release the July retail sales data from the Eurozone. In Canada, the Statistics Office will release the July export and import data. EUR-USD. The EUR-USD pair dropped sharply yesterday. It is now trading at 1.1825, which is significantly lower than the YTD high of January 2013. On the 4-hour chart, the price has just moved below the 50-day and 100-day exponential moving averages. The pair has also formed an equidistance channel that is shown in yellow below while the RSI has continued to drop. Therefore, the level to watch will be 1.1820, which is the lower side of the channel. A move below that line will send a signal that bears have prevailed, which is likely to push the pair lower. XBR-USD. The XBR-USD pair dropped to an intraday low of 44.15. On the daily chart, the price is between the 50% and 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. It is also slightly above the 50-day and 100-day exponential moving averages. The pair is also forming an ascending wedge pattern. Therefore, the pair is likely to break out lower in the near term, with the main support to watch being 40. On the flip side, the pair could also attempt to move higher to the next resistance level at 50.0. AUD-USD. The AUD-USD pair dropped to an intraday low of 1.3324 on the 4-hour chart as traders reacted to Australia's trade and services PMI data. On the 4-hour chart, the price is substantially lower than the YTD high of 1.3485. The price has also moved below the 25-day EMA while the signal line of the MACD has started to fall. Therefore, the pair is likely to continue falling as bears aim for the next support at 1.3200. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.